And what have you got planned for today?
You know, the usual.
Monsters?
Of course.
You think you can work in a fire-breathing chicken?
Chicken again?
Chicken is funny. Such a comedy to balance the whole thing out. They're going to be throwing money at you. I just know it. Well, they'll throw something at you.
Alo.
I'll see what I can do.
And do you plan on
Masz,
finishing the
bizon.
story this time, young man?
Ars Lausu.
Mamma. If you must bleed, do it now. Kto je obiera? On tam nie broni.